CPU. It is directly connected with CPU. Primary memory store data and information temporarily or permanently. Primary memory store data and information temporarily or permanently. There are two types of primary memory: RAM and ROM. Dear, can you hear me? Those students who just now enter on Google Classroom, please fill up attendance slip. Those students, if any problem to fill up attendance form, then you write name and section on chat box. Primary memory. There are primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is known as main memory or internal memory. Primary memory is known as main memory or internal memory. It is stored data and information temporarily or permanently. It is stored data and information temporarily or permanently. Primary memory is connected with CPU. Primary memory is directly connected with CPU. There are two types of primary memory: RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory. ROM means read-only memory. What is the difference between RAM and ROM?
ROM is
RAM,
for running memory.
random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. RAM, we can read and write. RAM, we can read and write. That means it is temporary. If any problem, any mistake, we can easily run. We can write new one. So RAM, we can read and write. RAM is read and write, and ROM we can't write. That means it is a permanent memory. We can only read, we can't write. If any mistake, any problem is there, we can't drop that one. RAM is volatile or temporary memory. ROM is non-volatile, it is permanent memory. RAM is expensive and ROM is expensive. RAM is cheaper. ROM is expensive and RAM is cheaper. Information are erased when power supply is switched off. भनेको यो बुझ्यौ? When suppose we are working here and electricity gone, then RAM information are easily deleted automatically, and ROM information are saved. It not lost their information when electricity is off. And there are two types of ROM: PROM, EPROM, double EPROM. PROM means programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. And double EPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. There are two types of RAM: DRAM and SRAM. D means dynamic random access memory. SRAM means static random access memory. Amrit, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Amrit, listen. You are access from mobile or laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. Then you do screenshot. स्क्रिनशट गरेर पछि पढ्न सजिलो हुन्छ नि. And do you know how to do screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
In laptop, in mobile, very easy. We use 3 and some mobile is volume key. Any confusion in RAM and ROM? Student, any confusion? Differentiate between RAM and ROM?
Computer भएपछि
भने केही बुझिएन।
त्यो कम्प्युटर स्विच अफ भएपछि नि त्यहाँको डाटाहरू सबै राम्रो स्विच अफ गरेपछि
ऱ्याममा ऱ्याममा त्यस्तो प्रब्लम हुन्छ। When power supply is switched off, information are erased automatically in RAM and ROM. It is permanent memory. I already told it is permanent memory. It is expensive. And ROM we can only read, we can't write. We can only read, we can't write. And ROM is just like a book. ROM is just like a book and RAM is just like a copy. In copy we can read, write or not. In copy, yes or no? And book we can only read. We can write there? No. If any spelling is mistake there, we can make right there? No. So ROM is a permanent memory, RAM is a temporary memory. Listen, differentiate between RAM and ROM. Listen carefully. First of all, you write the full form. RAM means random access memory, ROM is read-only memory. RAM we can read and write, ROM we can only read. RAM is temporary, ROM is permanent. RAM is cheapest, ROM is expensive. Information are erased automatically in RAM. Information are not erased in ROM. And there are 3 types of ROM and 2 types of RAM. Last one, EEPROM. What is the full form of double EPROM? Electrically erasable, programmable only memory. Electrically erasable, programmable, read only
memory.
What is the full form of SRAM?
Software random access.
ROM
static random access memory.
Random access memory.
computer memory. Secondary memory is a part of computer memory. It is also known as external memory or auxiliary memory or also known as backup memory. Understood? What is the name of secondary memory? Another name of secondary memory? Tell me. Auxiliary memory, backup memory or external memory. Okay, auxiliary, backup or external memory. Secondary memory is also known as backup memory, external memory or auxiliary memory. It stores data and information permanently for future use. Okay, secondary memory store data and information permanently for future use. An example of secondary memory is pen drive, magnetic tape, hard disk, CD, DVD, memory card, etc. Understood what is secondary memory?
Which are used to store data and instructions for
backup memory. Information for future use. It stores data and information permanent. Primary memory store information temporarily or permanent. बुझो? Primary memory list information कसरी use save गर्छ भन त?
And if by using hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD.
And primary memory store data and information permanent as well as temporary. Both type of information it can store. But secondary memory store data and information permanent And the secondary memory is like external device. Or external device like hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card, etc. It is not necessary for computer. External device is not necessary for computer. It is demand for user. Okay, it is demand for user. Understood? What is secondary memory? Now differentiate between primary memory and secondary memory. Listen. Primary memory is main memory or internal memory. Secondary memory is external memory, auxiliary memory, or backup memory. Primary memory, I already told you, we store data and information temporarily as well as permanent. It depends on user, eh? And secondary memory, we store data and information permanent. Primary memory storing capacity is less compared to secondary memory, and secondary memory store large amount of data information according to their size. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is my audible, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? No voice?
And sometimes yeah.
Clear? Arjun?
And sometimes it is
And sometimes cracks.
Deepak, do you want to ask anything? Deepak Kesi?
No.
Deepak, are you there? Any question? Then why you raise your hand? And then primary memory store data and information temporarily or permanent, and secondary memory store data and information. Primary memory storing capacity is less, and secondary memory storage capacity is more according to device. Suppose we have a 4 GB, 5 GB, 16 GB memory card or pen drive. Like that, it is stored information or not. If 5 GB, then it is stored 5 GB of data and information. And then primary memory, two types, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory is like CD, DVD, pen drive, memory card, hard disk, magnetic tape, floppy disk. Oldest, tell me, oldest or storing device name.
Floppy disk.
Very good. Floppy disk. Floppy disk store 1.33 MB megabyte. Okay. Storing capacity is 1.33 MB. Okay. Very less storing capacity of floppy disks. And primary memory is made of semiconductor and magnetic. Sorry, secondary memory is made of magnetic material or polo. Computer software. The device. Computer software is a program software. Computer software is a program software. It is a set of instruction or program written by using programming language. It is a set of instruction which gives clear meaning to the user and what not to do. Understood? What is computer software? We can feel computer software which we can't touch, but we can written by using programs. Computer software which we can't touch but we can feel. How we can feel? Tell me. Who will tell? Please raise your hand. tell? Amisha, are you there? Amisha Dakkal, tell me. Just now I told you computer software which we can't touch. Computer software ला हमने touch गर्न पाइन्न. But we can feel. How we can feel? By looking. For example, software is by how I already by mistake I typed there SOFFTWARE software spelling. Okay, by I typed there double F, and then how we know that is spelling is mistake? Because writing is software or not. Then highlighted with green color or red line or not. So it is highlighted with red line. That means there are some mistake. That means it is a part of computer software. It gives clear instruction to the user what to do and what not to do. Computer software gives clear instruction to the user what to do and what not to do. For example, I will give you one antivirus software CD. Then I will tell you to install that CD. You don't have idea how to install that CD. Then you keep CD in CD drive. Yes or no? Then after one message appear on your desktop screen. Do you want to install? Yes or no? What do you click? Yes. Okay. Then after, do you want to continue? It gives instruction to you or not? So, computer software gives clear instruction to the user what to do and what not to do. There are two types of computer software. One is system software, another is the application software. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
A set of instruction or program. Listen, definition of software. A set of instruction or set of program which gives clear meaning to the user what to do and what not to do is known as computer software. Computer software which we can't touch but we can feel. Computer software which we can't touch but we can feel. Example of computer software is Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, QBasic, HTML, and then MS Office, Games, Paint, as example of computer software. And there are two types of computer software: system software and application software. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I already told you there are two types of computer software. One is system software, another is the application software. Two types of software. One is system software, another is application software. And system software are four types. System software are four types: operating system software, language processor software, utility software, software.
Device drive software.
Software are two types: package software.
And tailor.
Package software is also known as
General software.
general software. And tailored software and is also known as customized software. Understood? There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software are four types, application software two types. And system software, there is language processor one system software, and language process software is also known as language translator. Okay, language processor software is also known as language processor software is also known as language translator. And computer has three: language translator, assembler, compiler, or interpreter. Computer never understand human language. हामीले जो बोल्छौँ नि language, computer never understand. Computer understand only machine language. Then if I computer में नेपाली English type गर्न मिल्छ, yes or no? If I will ask question in Nepali, then computer give answer in Nepali form. If I will ask in English, then computer give in English form. Then computer, I already told you, computer never understand our language. Computer understand only machine language. Suppose I will ask question, what is the capital of Nepal? Computer ले यो बुझ्दैन है, यो question का question नै बुझ्दैन. कम्प्युटरले के गर्छ भनेसी कम्प्युटरले एउटा ट्रान्सलेट गर्छ. ट्रान्सलेट कम्प्युटर इट कन्भर्ट इन देयर ल्याङ्ग्वेज. देन आफ्टर उसले क्वेसन बुझ्यो, देन इट सेन्ड टु द युजर ल्याङ्ग्वेज. मैले इङ्ग्लिसमा सोधेँ, कम्प्युटरले मलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा काठमाडौँ इज द क्यापिटल अफ नेपाल. ओके, एनी कन्फ्युजन? टाइप्स अफ सफ्टवेयर?
No, ma'am.
कम्प्युटर अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड ह्युमन ल्याङ्ग्वेज? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Computer understand which language?
Machine language.
What? Very good.
Latin language.
Good. Now system software. System software main and important part of computer software. System software is main and important part of the computer software. System software manages, control and support computer system. It manages and control all the activities of the computer system. And tell me one, who manage your house? Who manage and control all the activities of his children's? Who is your hero? Your mother. Yes, mother. ये सबै manage गर्ने. So the mother is very important in your house. Like that, system software is the main and important part of computer software. System software manage and control all the activities of the computer system. It communicate between computer and user. It communicate between computer and user. How it communicate with computer and user? Sometimes some problem occur in your computer. Yes or no?
Yes,
Any problem?
ma'am.
Computer show message to user or not? Computer le message user ko din. It appear message to the user, and we are user. And where we will see that message? In taskbar. You know where is taskbar? What is the full definition of taskbar? Horizontal line is bottom of horizontal bar located on below of the computer taskbar. Taskbar my start huncha, date and time huncha, internet connection huncha, internet connection, sound, etc. Antivirus software is also in taskbar. Okay, that message appear on taskbar. It suppose I store all the information in D drive and E drive is empty. It send message to the user, please delete some item from D drive. It going to full. Yes or no? That the message appear on desktop taskbar or not? So, who manage that activities? System software. Okay, system software is, listen carefully. System software is the main and important parts of the computer software. It control and manage all the activities of computer system. It coordinate between computer and computer user. And there are 4 types of system software. There are 4 types of system software: operating system software, utility software, device driver, language process. Okay, many types of system software. 4 system software: operating system software, utility software, device driver, processor. Up to here, anyone confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
त भएको छ कि छैन कम्प्युटर
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now we have only 1 minute's time, so I will ask some questions related to computer software. Tell me example of computer software. Tell me examples of computer MS PowerPoint, games, Paint,
Firefox, Mozilla Firefox.
Firefox. Very good. How many types of software?
Two.
Types. And which software is main and important software in computer system?
System software.
Software. Which software we can touch and feel?